A stockbroker is the middleman between you and the public stock market. Let's look at how they help you buy and sell shares. A brokerage acts as an intermediary, providing the platform and the legal license required to trade securities on national exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. While they used to charge high fees, most online brokers today offer commission-free trading, making it much easier for beginners to get started. Beyond just buying and selling, your broker handles the heavy lifting of record keeping, tax reporting, and holding your assets in a secure account. Investors generally choose between full-service brokers who offer personal advice, or discount brokers that allow you to manage your own portfolio independently. Many people use brokerage accounts for long-term goals like retirement, but they can also be used for general savings or specific education funds. The best broker is one that aligns with your specific investment style and provides the tools you actually need to reach your goals. Research your options before opening an account. This has been an educational overview, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.